So if you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. If you're seeing this on TikTok, it is located in my IG bio. So right now my DogeCoin position is worth $1,971 with 82 cents. So right now it's not looking so good for the DogeCoin position, right? But as of currently, I own 29,355.79 29, etc., right, in Dogecoin. So that is how much I'm holding currently in Dogecoin, or that is how much I own of Dogecoin right now. Basically, looking at Dogecoin on the daily chart, it looks like Doge is trying its best to hold itself above the 180-day moving average. It looks like it hasn't gotten no, well, actually it looks like it did today, right? It looks like it got rejected slightly by the 9-day moving average. If that's the case, it looks like we might have a little bit of trouble for Dogecoin for now, but honestly I don't know what will happen from here. And it looks like, I guess you could say right now we're not in the altcoin season just yet. There is like an index that lets you know like if we're in an altcoin season or not. And basically from what I last time checked it out, it looks like we're not yet in an altcoin season yet. Pretty much everything pretty much everything's down, sort of. But the most the crypto that lately has caught my eye is Shiba Inu. For some reason, I don't know, I feel like Shiba Inu might disappear, to be honest with you. But then again, nobody really knows, to be honest with you. Just, I don't know, because when these other coins were having like, we're going up, by a bunch, right? All of a sudden, just, Sheeb was kind of not, going along with the other cryptocurrencies. And so I was like, what's going on with Sheeb? So Sheeb is like doing it. It's in its own thing. I don't know what's going on with Sheeb. So basically for me right now, I'm invested into Doge. What do I, where do I see Doge by the end of this year? Realistically, if everyone is right about, this year being altcoin season and all altcoins being, being crazy and reaching new numbers, right? New all-time highs, right? My realistic goal of, Dogecoin potentially reaching is at least either 90 cents or $1. Do I think will that be possible? Probably yes, probably not, to be honest with you. But then again, if you remember what I talked about Bitcoin last time when I traded Bitcoin, I remembered saying that in around December 2024 or November 2024, I don't know, either of those dates, I said that, okay, I think Bitcoin will reach 100K by the end of the year. Let me see, actually, because did it? Yeah, so I was right in a way. So around either November or December, I said that, not Doge, but Bitcoin would reach eventually by the end of the year of 2024, it would reach 100K, or, by next year, which is, the year we're in, 2025. And you can, see that Bitcoin is, now it's below the, it's below 100K now. So, in a way, I feel like if it's having, and then just looking at Bitcoin right now, it looks like it's having trouble breaking that 9-day moving average ever since, I want to say since, not this one, because it looks like it got rejected by the 20-day moving average. I want to say since February 3rd, it's just been having trouble breaking that stubborn 9-day moving average. So it looks like we could see more downside from Bitcoin. Who knows, right? But there's this strategy where basically I try to see what Bitcoin does before the market opens. So if I see that Bitcoin is, let's say it's down, pre-market, before the stock market opens, for example, SPY, generally what SPY will do is that SPY will generally follow the same pattern as, Bitcoin being down. So, and then let's say if the market, pre-market, right, Bitcoin is green, basically SPY in pre-market will be green as well. And when the market opens, usually SPY will tend to follow that pattern of, SPY will tend to follow that pattern of Bitcoin being green, so SPY will decide to be green too. So I try to use that pattern sometimes, but not really, because it's kind of useless for me in a way. I tried implementing it, but in a way it's not like that useful, to be honest with you. Maybe it could be a future strategy that I could test out, but for now I'm not really feeling that strategy yet. But looking at Bitcoin right now, it looks like it's around this little small support level through 94,000 through anywhere from 94,000 to 95,000. So that's basically the support level Bitcoin is at right now. And then Doge right now is at this, like, not really at a support level, really. The only thing that I can say is that if if Doge can use that 180-day moving average and use it as support, right, and bounce off of it, then we can see DogeCoin go up eventually, along with the other altcoins, right? But is that possible? No one really knows. I don't really trade crypto like that, to be honest with you. I mean, I don't really trade crypto like that. I just recently started dabbling into it because it's really caught my interest as of lately, right? So when I got into Bitcoin, that was, my first time trading crypto in a way. And so looking at, I want to also talk about like SPY right now. So SPY right now, right, it looks like after hours it's up at 602, right? And then basically Friday it finished around 600, right? So basically the goal here is to enter into a SPY call option as soon as it lands on the 20-day moving average, right? Once that happens, I'll just wait and patiently see if SPY can bounce off that 20-day moving average, and if it does, I sell out the position for a small 5 or 10% gain. And that's pretty much it to that strategy. Basically, you try to buy SPY when it's oversold in a way, and basically try to sell out the position for a small 5 or 10% gain. And then step 3 is just to rinse and repeat that cycle over and over again. So that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to talk about, really. SPY might go up, SPY might go down, I don't know, right? But I do have an ebook if you want to learn how to trade options, right? It's located in the description below, or you can check it out at my website called worldly41.gumroad.com, right? And then if you're trying to get into reselling, you can purchase different vendors that might pique your interest, right? So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care. As always, this is not financial advice. As always, take care. Bye.